I got you. You don't mess with me.
Wait, hold up, Flip. Make sure you're recording this, okay?
Wait, what?
Oh, go? Okay.
On today's show, we like to present the best talking animals.
Talking to the light, trying to get to you.
Woko Gongo Flip. Hey, that's actually good. Woko Gongo Flip. Woko Gongo Flip. Oh, okay, probably not.
Hey, look down there. I don't see anything.
Ricky, when I come out of there, I'm gonna tear you up like the size of a... we're just playing around. Nothing like good old teasing. You little freaking liar. I'm gonna kill you in there. Try me. Try me right now, sucker Ricky. Come on, Ricky. Oh, relax. Everything's all good. We can't help but crack jokes with each other. Oh, we're gonna be crack-a-lacking, Ricky. Cracking your skull in, Ricky.
Because I got high. I was gonna go to class before I got... Hey, where are you going? Wait for me.
So much fish. There's one buff fish, right?
I got you, bro.
Rock-a-bye, baby, in that little stroller. When you get out, I'll replace mommy as your holder. Get off of my grandmama's gift right now. Whoa, it's okay. It's just drugs.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Hands off. It's all mine.
Everybody say cheese. Cheese!
Why didn't you wait for me? You're so rude. Shake your ass, but watch yourself. Shake your ass.
Relax, big fella. They are only taking photos.
Coast is clear, guys. Just waiting for the drop. Oh, perfect. He's not looking.